welcome all of you with another brand new video of RCeA. Today we are going to make this scrolling display with step-by-step guide. Arduino Uno or Nano board, Max 7219 dot matrix module, and jumper cables. First of all, let's connect dot matrix modules together. Connect output pins of one matrix to the input pins of the other matrix. Likewise, you can add any number of matrix displays to your project. Review for this soldering stand is available on YouTube. Go and check it. Connect VCC and GND pins of matrix to the 5 volts and GND pins of Arduino. Connect DIN, CS, CLK pins of matrix to the 11th, 10th and 13th digital pins of Arduino respectively. Now we are done with wirings. Connect cable to the Arduino and let's go to upload the program. First of all, you need to install a library. Go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. Type and search the library MD-Parola. Then from here install the library. Here I have already installed the library. After installing the library, close the Library Manager panel. You can check the installed library from Sketch, Include Library, and here it is shown MD-Parola. Now you are done. Let's go to the program. Now go to File, Examples. MD-Parola and then Parola scrolling. Here change the keyword from Parola to FC16. Then from here change the text that you want to display. Then select your board, Arduino Uno, and the correct port from the Tools menu. Then verify the code and upload the code. Here it is too speedy and takes much more time. So let's go to edit the program. Here change the number of matrix displays that you are using in your project. From here, change the speed. This number shows the delaying time in milliseconds, so you have to increase this number to make slower. Now it's done. Upload the code and enjoy the project.